Alrighty, first things first, we're going to head up to the top where it says Paddington. Soon this will say online, so if it says online, even better. Then what we do is go to where it says build program, and we choose one of 3 programs: build, group, or competitor. I suggest doing build if you've got a home gym or if you had a commercial gym. Then you pick the date of the workout, and then you can see the workout here. If you want to watch a video, all you have to do is click on that hyperlink, the teal section, as I'm about to do now. Go through the video, watch it, I highly recommend it, and then obviously just go back. Follow through, so A first, then B, sometimes it's going to be C, and sometimes D. Now, if you want to add a result, you have to sign into class by going to the calendar button down the bottom. Signing in, it will say online, and you can go to online, moving around on you here, online build. And you put your scores in there. So all you have to do is sign into the class. I've just made it 24 hours a day because you're going to be anywhere you want to be. And then you sign in, you go back to the workout. Once you're there, you can log your scores in. I highly recommend doing it, especially for the strength movements, because the strength movements will save and you'll be able to check them over time. The Metcons, obviously up to you if you do them. We like to see your scores so we can keep in touch. But other than that, that's all you need to know.